Hello guys, welcome back to Apprentices Cloud. Today we're going to solve another tutorial named called Nebula. So what is this a Nebula? Nebula is not like a vulnerability scanner by itself, like a Nmap, Nessus or a Bubsword. Instead, it's like airport penetration testing. So I would like to try to show you here as this is like a Nebula. So we can see here everything is very clearly. So uh, this will help like ethical hackers and performs like engage more efficiently by combining like AI with the traditional pen testing tools. So what Nebula actually does for us. So think of it as like AI assistant sitting beside you during the penetration testing. It provides like AI assistants that explains like finding like suggest and next step to generate like a commands and integrate terminal like common tools such like you can take it like nmap nuclei as well as foof gobuster sqli metasploit and crackmap exes and netmap exes and other linux security tools is also inbuilt here and automatic note taking like it will automatically take the note and evidence collections for a reports it's going to be collect all the evidence and etc things as well as recon management by organizing like scans and screenshots and notes and discover like hosts in one project llm integrations like openai compatible models and local models also uh, now let's we would like to try to install. So this installation will take a little bit more and lengthy time process because this need to be start take a more and lengthy time process also. So you just need to be clone. So I would like to try to show you here. So either you want to try to utilize here, you can utilize this one as Nebula. Otherwise you don't want that one. Either you can flow this one as a run from source. So you just clone the repository, go to here as cd Nebula poetry just need to be installed first poetry install with development and poetry run like Prevlighter and install the chromium web browser as well as and after that you just type here as nmap prefix ui with the client interface. After that you just need to input as this one to run on the desktop. So you just try to look it out here nmap prefix ui run in the desktop. So it's take a more lengthy time process to run it here. So you have got like open port is running here in the localhost 1420 and also you want to look it out here. Let's type here as list minus here. So we don't have anything like etc things like either like any environment files or etc things, but this is still like under a development mode. Okay, but however it is we just need to be import as something like you just look like here as Nebula about. So because it's not going to be running out as very properly. Let's come back here. I try here target like Nebula UI. That's it. You try here as Nebula settings. It's not going to be getting out anything else in this case. So it just like is still in the development phase. So once it come, we can make like a another command center. Control K as command center. It's not even coming like it's like a C2 framework, but it's still not coming here. Uh, in Windows, so it was stuck. It's not going to be coming out now. So now we would like to try to come back here. So this is like a graphical user interfaces about the Nebula. So workplace etc thing. So it's showing here like it was a fail. Try to connect Nebula core could not start. Nebula API request is failed and etc things. We would like to try to get it here. So you can see like here as a terminal code and also you can get like a browser. You can search anything else what else you may require here. Assistant same like a chat gpt, so you can assistant by yourself and you can integrate your own uh, api like you can bring your open router api keys and etc things here also. And what is the files which is identified that also will be displayed here. And you can also take like a notes for pen testing and machines what else you're going to be running out that machines and etc things and activities what else it's actively it's find out and etc things it's going to be find out here. So it's still like I think you just need to be get like a pay membership. So in this case Now I can look like here as a findings. You're going to be get like a priorities to verify and remediate and CV listed. So this is going to be list everything for you. But still this need to be improved much more. Either you want to create like your first report also, it's not going to be giving you extra things here as authorizations. And after you're going to be finding out how much you have get like a calculations, how much you're going to be getting paid out or etc things, it's also going to be calculated, but it's not like an accurate calculate. And between middle platforms, they're going to be eat your hard work. uh, I'm openly telling you, either like try hack me, sorry, like hacker one, background or etc things. How much are you going to be identify or etc things? They say this is not worthable. So between this uh, client company and mediating these things, both people tie up. So if he want to advertise something, he just need to be deposit first into the background or etc things. Either like Airbnb want to deposit first. Either you have identified some etc's hardcore bug also. They say it's like a low etc things, and they're not going to be give for your hard work also as etc only. So that's the one major drawback for every bug bounty hunters. In the middle only they will eat all your hard work. In this library you can see here much more things like all the like critical bugs will be displayed here. Now no project, so it's also not going to be getting out here. So we just need to be get still it's in the website is under progress. If that is get it very clearly, then I would like to make another video with making like an practical invest. That's it. So you try it your own, guys. Thank you just watching and keep smiling. Have a great day.